Fremont Street is the second most popular street after the Las Vegas Strip. Today, we are about to explore the top-rated things to do here at Fremont Street. As we go around, we will watch our budget and seek that we spend the least, but have the best times of our lives. Are you ready to explore downtown Vegas? And off we go! Let's not leave the camera. We are starting here at the container park to get some food. This is on the Fremont and 7th Street. 7 p.m. right now on a hot summer day. It's still not popping. I'm sure there's lots to find here. I've been craving for you. Stop trying to make everyone happy. You're not tequila. Ooh, it's the $5 store. You can tell me what to do. You're not my dog. I think they're used shirts. I support single moms. $5 hats are here. I just saw a bunch go up the stairs, so we should go upstairs. Oh, you got boba. Hello. What's in here? Oh, it's a bar.
Which floor?
Art here is pretty cool. I like passing here. Hey, what can we see here? They say the view is nicer when you go up, so let's go to the 3rd floor. Oh, wow. From here, you can see the mountains over there. Nice view. What's this thing?
Huh?
What is it?
Oh, we're a pole fitness studio. This is the Sunny's Entertainment Park.
Wow.
Yeah, do you want to come in? You get Sunny's like, I would say, hop here, right now, after the movie.
Ah.
So I was so excited to get this job here, you know, like this is a dream, right?
I can feel tonight.
That was great. We're actually beside what was that? 1995 prime ribs. This is a cool place for a photo shoot. How's the pizza? 7:30 right now. I'm getting hungry. Oh, they only work on the weekend. Good job. It does look cool here. Oh, it's not really swinging. It's interactive over there. I would say this is a really good workout. I'm sweating. What's up there? I see some people over there. How is it up there? Oh, it's work. I think that's where the control is for the lighting and sound. That's pretty dope.
We have 93 local artists
Okay.
presenting their work here.
Aww.
Welcome to Art Talks.
Thank you. Oh, there's no glass. Oh, you can actually touch them. This is pretty cool. The flames can reach 6 stories high. It's waking up. If there's a chance that you're here at 7:45 p.m., that's the time you'll see the fire go blasting. I didn't really find anything I like here to eat at Container Park. They said the Mexican restaurant is not bad. It's good on the price. We're gonna walk towards the Fremont Experience right now. Happy birthday! We are now at the corner of Las Vegas Boulevard and Fremont Street, and we are about to experience the Fremont Experience. It's the famous Heart Attack Grill. Okay. See how does she weigh? Nah, you have to pay. Oh, whoa. This is interesting. Oh, it's such a fun concept, but I think it's a little too much for me. But we haven't spent a dime until now, and we are absolutely entertained. And what are you doing? And we are about to see the SlotZilla right there. That's the SlotZilla. It goes all the way back. We are about to enter the Viva Vision Light show. Like a plastic bag. What do you do? It's video. There it is! Yes! Woo! The circle, that's where they perform, right? Is there a payment for those circles?
The payments are free. Every performer goes online and they register. The machine basically spits out a circle that they're assigned to for 2 hours.
Every 2 hours there's a rotation.
If nobody comes to that circle, performers that maybe have not gotten a circle will go into those circles.
It's real! Thank you! That's for him. I was told Rolly Roti is a really good sandwich place. Wow, that's beautiful. Magic show! That's a great deal. That's cool. He's making an art right now.
Guys and the lights. If you don't have cash, I can. Here we go. Hassan, start with him. You, if you leave, we will know you're cheap.
It says great food and great view. Whoa. See, how to be seated?
Are you eating and drinking?
Yes.
You are eating and drinking?
Yeah. They said there's a great view. Thank you. It is a fun view, so I don't mind eating here. I'm so thirsty. I hope she comes quick with my drink. No, I thought all of Vegas is all Diet Pepsi, and finally I found my Diet Coke. Rain free. There's actually a concert here. So fun. I forgot what I ordered. It's pizza with a lot of meat. It's hard to eat it. I think it's a better way, right? Wow, it has everything. Bacon bits, pepperoni. It's really good. Our bill is $29.26. It's not the cheapest deal, $35 for dinner. You got ambience, you got music. They don't do $1 for this. These guys are now moving just for $1. It's oxygen, but it's also cigars. Now that we're full, I think it's time to drink. Am I right or am I right? What should we get? Ooh, this is fancy. Long Island iced tea for $2.69. This is a cute Budweiser. Oh, lots of options right here. I've tried this one before and I can have this one. ID for 24. Yes. Thank you. It's okay.